Hi guys, in this step-by-step video, I'm going to be showing you how you can set up international shipping rates on Shopify. Now, you need to log in into your Shopify store. After that, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on markets, okay? Now here, as you can see, I have already enabled international shipping. Now, for example, if you want to ship to like some countries and you want to set up shipping rates for these countries, all you need to do, guys, you want to click on add market in the top right. And after, guys, you click on add market, you want to name the market. Don't worry, customers will not be able to see this list of countries. For example, I'm going to name it list of countries I want to ship to. Now, after that, you want to select all the countries that you would like to ship to. And I'm going to show you next how you can add the shipping rates to these countries. Okay, so that everyone from these countries, they will be charged for the shipping price, okay, for the shipping rate. Now, you just need to select all the countries. For example, you would like to ship to Africa, and you can select, for example, specific countries in Africa if you want. You can ship to Asia, just select Asia, and it will select all the countries that are available in Asia, or the countries that are in Asia. You can also uncheck Asia, and you can check specific countries in Asia, for example, like Cambodia, okay, China, or you can select the whole countries in Asia. And then you want to select Europe, okay, you can select all the countries that you want in Europe. After you select all the countries, you want to click on add market. After, guys, you click on add market, what you guys need to do is to set up the shipping rates, okay? Now, I'm going to show you guys how you can add or how you can enable the international shipping rates. All right, now what you guys need to do now, you want to go back and click on settings, okay? And then you want to click on shipping and delivery. And then you want to click on general here, and then scroll down, okay? And as you can see, it says here not covered by your shipping zone. Now, these are for 137 countries, which I have selected in the markets a few seconds ago. I selected all, for example, Africa, countries in Africa, countries in Asia, countries in Europe. The total countries are 137. Now I'm going to click on create zone, okay? You want to click on create zone, and you want to select all these countries, and I named it list of countries I want to ship to. Just click on the check it, and then the zone name, for example, list of countries. Don't worry, people won't need to be able to see this. Click on done, and then you want to click on add rate, okay? Now here, if you click on add rate, as you can see, use the flight rate, you can add here the shipping, the customer rate name, for example, standard. And here, the custom delivery description, you can choose here like ships next day, and the price that you are going to charge your customers for the international shipping. Now, you can also use the carrier or app to calculate the rates. If you click here, you can choose a company name that you want to use, so that if like the shipping rate is going to be automatically displayed to the customer depending on where they live. I hope it makes sense. After that, you want to click on done, okay? Now I'm going to use the normal shipping. I'm going to click on done. Now you have added $100 for the shipping rate, for the shipping price. And as you can see, international, you can also add the shipping rate to international countries, but I have selected the countries that I would like to ship to, okay? I selected all the countries in Asia and in Europe and yeah. Now, after that, you want to click on save in the top right. After, guys, you click on save, a very important thing to do so that you can enable, you can activate the market, okay? First, okay, in active markets, as you can see, customers in the list of countries won't be able to check out because all countries and regions are in active markets. So you just need to click on go to market, And after you click on go to market, you want to click on here where it says inactive, and you want to click on active. Okay, see it doesn't display. Just go back, okay, and click on markets. Okay, click on markets here, just click on settings here, as you can see, and then click on markets. And as you can see, all these are countries I selected in the market. Click on it, and as you can see, this market can't be activated because are missing shipping rates. Okay, because 24 countries are missing shipping rates. Now you want to click on shipping, and what you guys need to do, you want to click on go to shipping, click again on general, and you want to add the shipping rate for, yeah, you want to because there are like 24 countries are missing shipping rates. For example, economy, ships next day, and click on save. Now you want to go back to settings at the very bottom left, click on markets, click on the name you have named markets, and then you want to click on inactive, and then click on active, click on save. That's it. Now people from this market, all the countries that you have selected in the market, will be able to check out or will be able to buy from your Shopify store. And you will also ship the shipping rates, as you can see here. If these are all the countries I have selected in the market. Now if you don't understand anything, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. If this one helped you, drop a like, and see you guys in the next one.